will show you how to correctly install a separation frame into a premium server RSF rack. We will need components of the separation frame and a 3mm hex key. First, remove the side panels. It isn't strictly necessary, but it will make the installation process easier. Use screws and the hex key to fasten the sidebars of the separation frame to the back of the front 19-inch rails on the left and the right. Affix each bar to the rail in 4 places. Click the plastic quick-release screws into the upper and lower bar of the separation frame and loosen them. Quick-release screws that have been fully clicked shut cannot be fitted. Fit the upper bar onto the front 19-inch rails and click it in place. Do the same with the lower bar, and again click the screws shut.